Hello everyone. Happy day to all. Any presentation starts with an interaction between an anchor and the audience. Not necessary that the audience should speak. Their presence itself creates an environment of connectivity. Genuinely, Capitol has its strong belief of soul connection with the entire Capitol family. This pandemic year is quite a challenging year, yet a resourceful period for all in the globe. Let's take it positively. This is the time for breaking new ground and time to explore new things. And here we are with the new exploration with Virtual Annual Day. Did we imagine this any time in the past? So, one thing is clear. Our future has so much of mystery in store. Let's leave no stone unturned at any point of time. Ideas may be different, but the enthusiasm remains the same. Honestly, we find brightness through lovely smiles of our students. Here, we light a lamp to illuminate their future path bright. Our chairman, Sri Chandrasekhar, and our secretary, Dr. Sudha ma'am, pray Almighty for the wellness of each and every one of us and for global peace and happiness.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः.
Smile is the universal language to welcome our dear ones. Combined with warmth, I request our principal ma'am to extend hearty welcome to our incredibly special guest of honor, our chairman Chandrasekhar sir and secretary Dr. Sudha ma'am.
Pranams to the Almighty and hello to all. 2020 became a challenging year that made us discover things about ourselves that we never really knew. Yet we took the plunge to check the depth. We learned to deal the challenges with a winning courage. Virtual classes and now virtual annual day. Corona made us to do. Corona, and we said unanimously, हाँ ज़रूर करेंगे. What a demanding year. Here we are with a phenomenal event. With great pleasure, I extend my cordial welcome to our Honorable Chairman of Capital Group of Institutions, Shri G.C. Chandrasekhar, Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha. Sir, I take this opportunity on behalf of the people of Karnataka to thank you for emphasizing Kannada in metro rail signboards and the Speaker of the House accepting your concern instantly. That's what I call the power of speech. Thank you, sir. I also welcome Dr. Sudha Chandrasekhar, Senior Consultant, World Bank Health System Transformation Project and Secretary, Capital Group of Institutions. You are the powerhouse behind every success, ma'am. You are truly gifted with decisive, logical and cognizant skills. We, the Capitolites, are deeply honored to have you amongst us. Our CEO, Indira ma'am, is a voice with precise words, is an encouraging force with minimum thrust, and a person with firm yet smooth navigation. We acknowledge your guidance with cheers. With greatest appreciation in heart and mind, I must acknowledge the biggest share of responsibilities of our parents during the entire year. We owe you a lot. A hearty welcome to all. Words are not enough to convey our gratitude. My team, our coordinator, Anita, office staff, Sharda and Sushmita for their steadfast contribution, and all our teachers with persistence and a never give up spirit deserve a big salute. Our parents and teachers are no less than our frontline warriors. Not to forget, our helpers and drivers deserve a big applause for standing strong with us. Hearty cheers and once again a great welcome to all. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
One tree can start a forest. One word can frame a goal. One candle can wipe out darkness. A true leader has a confidence to stand alone. The quote said above is much filling to our beloved principal, ma'am. You are a leader. You show motherly love and fatherly confidence. Thank you, ma'am, for your endless care, guidance, and support. We heartily welcome you, ma'am. Our coordinator, Anita ma'am, will present a brief report on our important accomplishments of this academic year.
Hearty greetings to all. Focus, perhaps, is our biggest strength in Capital. It keeps us going without breaking our continuity of thoughts through years and years. With this note, let me present a brief report of this pandemic year's accomplishment. Before, we would relax mentally and physically after successful completion of previous academic year, we were alarmed by a new challenge to face the lockdown model. We were on our toes, having direct connect with the students till now. Swiftly changing to virtual connect was an Herculean task for all of us. But as mentioned by our principal ma'am, we had to take a plunge into this with sheer determination and lot of endurance. Higher grade classes started after a short break, virtually. It was a roller coaster ride. With initial hiccups, it was a smooth sailing thereon. With online classes and by uploading videos, the student-teacher connect was altogether an offbeat experience initially and enthralling experience subsequently. The journey from the toughest situation to the composed routine is not less than the thriller story. Our online curriculum included yoga, art and craft to give much more needed relaxation of mind. Science Olympiad Foundation, SOF, conducted the talent exams online and most of our students participated. Our national festivals, Independence Day, Republic Day were conducted with empty school ground, though students participated in online related activities. All important days and festivals were illustrated through special videos. School was decorated during all major festivals like Dasara, Deepavali, Christmas, Eid, Sankranti, etc. But we missed our students to appreciate with their sparkling eyes and bright smiles. We picked CCAs which would be judged online with transparency. Though we awarded the winners, there was sense of insufficiency due to limited activities. The online PTM was conducted successfully, discussing students' academic progress. Our heartiest congratulations to all. There are best and most praiseworthy potential who could not make it. Never mind. Let's bounce back with a bang. Virtual can never substitute actual for long. We are slowly getting into the normalcy mode with total precautions. Let's pray for the complete steadiness with our children all around us. We remain optimistic. Thank you.
Thank you, Anita ma'am, for that brief yet precise outline of events. Here are these outgoing students sharing their nostalgic journey in Capital. Here they are.
Hello everyone, I'm Mariam from grade 10. My 5 years of Capital School life gave me great knowledge, taught me discipline and humility, showed me compassion, and above all, gave me precious memories that are truly priceless. Firstly, I have immense gratitude towards a person who is approachable, open-minded and a fair leader, and yes, that is my dear principal. Next, I'm extremely thankful to all my inspiring and dedicated teachers who have made me discover my true potential. You have made me explore my strengths and work on my weaknesses, and not to forget my sports teacher and non-teaching staff as well. And now an important aspect of my school life, and that is friendship. Over the years, I've seen so many different kinds of friends. The teacher's pet, the know-it-all, the class clown, the borrower, and one who laughs funnier than he jokes. I've made many memories of fun we had together in trips, activities, competitions, celebrations, and many more. Some bitter, some sweet, but none that I will ever forget and will last for a lifetime. But this has been a year like no other. Our important year of schooling, that is 10th grade, has passed by with months at home and online learning that can never replace face-to-face interaction. But our teachers and students have faced this adversity with positivity, creativity, with resilience, and with a can-do spirit. I want to conclude by saying that if you want to reach heights and soar high, you need to have the courage and the willpower to leave the ground below. This is what my school has taught me, and I'm really proud of it. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Erin, and I'll be sharing a glimpse of my journey in Capital with you today. I joined Capital 3 years ago, and it has been an adventure ever since. Learning is our only objective, and to help us stay productive and do our duties, we always have the tireless efforts of our principal and our teachers. From being an average student to transforming to become one of the toppers in class reflects the hard work, the dedication of our teachers. The relationship between the teachers and the students might have been disrupted during the pandemic, but the relationship which we had with our teachers was left unbroken. So, to wrap it all up, I would love to say that our time which was invested in Capital was worthwhile, fun, motivational, and competent.
Hi
Thank
all,
you.
this is Kalam. Today I am going to share a wonderful journey in Capital. I started my journey of gaining knowledge and education in Capital from 5th standard. Now finally the day has come where all we students of class 10th need to leave our childhood behind and step into the world to create our own paths in life. Each of us has a dream, and I thank my school for making me capable enough to achieve my goals and dreams. I take an opportunity to express my gratitude towards my teachers on behalf of my class. I thank our teachers for all the lessons they have taught us. Your kindness and caring nature is the reason that we all today are ready to face challenges with smile and courage. We all assure you that we'll strive hard to be a successful and responsible citizen of nation. I am also thankful to my parents who joined me in such a wonderful school.
Thank you, Mariam, Erin, and Abdul. So wonderfully you represented your classmates too. Now, with great honor, I request Sudha ma'am to share a few words of wisdom.
Good day, everyone. I hope you're all healthy and safe. What was the new normal a year ago has now lost its distinction and has become just the normal. This shift to a virtual platform has not been easy, and we are very thankful for your help and cooperation throughout the process. It has truly been the worst of times, but in a way also the best of times. I don't and shouldn't expand on how it is the former, as today is a day of celebration. But the silver lining of any situation needs to be reiterated in order to remind ourselves that we still have something to strive for. I feel these are the best of times since our children have an opportunity to personalize their learning like never before. The uniform syllabus surely provides a strong foundation, but pre-lockdown, the children never had an opportunity to explore and expand beyond this foundation. But now they do. The reduced hours of classes gives them a lot of time to explore their interest in numerous areas, and the resources are at their fingertips and are infinite. In this atmosphere, we as parents have a duty to give them the resources and the space so they can make the best of this. In a home environment where we are all staying in for large hours of time, the line between parenting and giving our children a space to take their own initiative becomes blurred. How can we balance this when every sight of our children spending hours and hours online worries and concerns us? How do we ensure that they feel comfortable to express their interest and aspirations to us without worry? All of this, especially when we feel a need to be fully involved in our children's lives. And now, having a chance to do so, we would want to make the best of this opportunity. While thinking of this dilemma, I remembered a poem my daughter made me read. She had felt that it was highly essential for every parent to keep this in mind while deciding on how to intervene in the child's life. It is from the collection of poems by Khalil Gibran in his phenomenal work, The Prophet, which he took 11 years to complete. It goes like this: Your children are not your children. They are the sons and daughters of life's longing for itself. They come through you, but not from you. And though they are with you, yet they belong not to you. You may give them your love, but not your thoughts, for they have their own thoughts. You may house their bodies, but not their souls, for their souls dwell in the house of tomorrow, which you cannot visit, even in your dreams. You may strive to be like them, but seek not to make them like you, for life goes backwards, nor tarries with yesterday. You are the bows from which children as living arrows are sent forth. The archer sees the mark upon the path of infinite, and he bends you with his might that his arrows may go swift and far. Let your bending in the archer's hand be gladness, for even as he loves the arrows that flies, he also loves the bow that is stable. I find that this poem can be interpreted in unique way by each of us, but also provides certain bounds to the interpretation. I urge you to think and align your choices as a parent in a way which you feel right for your child, while keeping this in the back of your mind. We at Capitol believe in the potential of each and every one of your children, but unfortunately we could not exploit the potential of every child for this annual day. Surely we look eagerly to do so next year in a grand manner. Despite this impediment of not being able to include more number of students, we are very proud of the performance we have been able to put together for today's annual day. The students have come together despite these tough times and have worked immensely hard for this event. We thank all the parents who were involved in the producing of these performances and participating in it too. I would also like to thank all my teachers for supervising, directing, organizing for today's annual day. We are very glad that all of you have kept the enthusiasm alive and have channeled it into putting this amazing celebration today. Thank you very much and enjoy the show.
This is what we wait for, to energize ourselves, to feel the motivation and to feel the aura of positive vibes. Thank you, ma'am. We truly feel honored. Nothing is more valuable than extending our gratitude. With great respect, we thank our chairman, Sri G.C. Chandrasekhar, secretary, Dr. Sudha Chandrasekhar, for their treasured moments with us. A special thanks to Indira ma'am for timely guidance and coordination of the events. Thank you, principal ma'am, and our coordinator, Anita ma'am, for the wonderful introduction and abstracts. Thank you, parents, for your strongest and thickest association. Our admin, staff, both front and back office, have contributed fullest of the support. They are unsung heroes. Our lovely children, for your enthusiastic participation. All my colleagues for your devoted endeavors. Mr. Vasant and his team for the marvelous photographic effects. And last but not the least, our support staff for making our work easy. Now, the show begins. Thank you.
With this note, let's activate our virtual entertainment with an invocation dance. Life is like a dance. We bend, stretch, emote, spin, and we narrate with graceful expressions, just like our academic life. Dance too has the hardest beginning, but subsequently it flows with glow. With strong faith, deepest integrity, and soulful devotion here, our students performing invocation dance.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमस्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्
स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिम् गवाहनमोदकं प्रियम् सनि सा 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 ग ग म म प प नि ग म प नि प सा 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 नि प म ग सा प म ग सा प म ग स नि सा प म ग स प म ग स नि प प नि स ग सा
Thank you, Lakshmi ma'am, for this devotional presentation. Every child in a school is a wellspring of joy, pleasure, peace, and love. Here in school, everyone looks at the world of innocence of our child. Their darling expressions, their readiness, their purity of heart, their wisdom opens the door and lets the optimistic future in. That's why we miss them a lot. Here are little grown-up children to present the depiction with a new pitch.
Greetings to all. Yes, honestly, now we know what is school all about. Definitely, it's not all about studies. If our teachers talk about innocence of every child that they miss, we think about the magic, the wonder, the mystery and the joy of each day of our schooling. But we are optimistic. We are the observers to vouch for all the three phases, pre-COVID, peak-COVID, and very soon we will be enjoying the normalcy of post-COVID. Isn't that optimistic?
This was the time when the excitement, the spirit of innocence, and every little action has fun along with schooling. The way they surrendered to every command in school without compromising their point of view was a real treat to all the teachers. Here is a glimpse of that fun-filled schooling before the shutdown.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. Come on, rock the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well you already know. So just imagine, nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel that good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance.
thank Renuka ma'am and Lakshmi ma'am for their guidance. Individual yet collective presentation of our little friends deserves a loud applause. Then comes the lockdown. The life takes a turn from a free environment to a caged surrounding, like a bird with wings clipped and the feet tied. The kids connected with their teachers, but the screen came in between. Just imagine their frustration through this presentation.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Near the village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight. Near the village, the quiet village, the lion Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight.
Thank you, Magdalene ma'am and Vani ma'am, for your encouragement. Wonderful. Everyone understands but helpless. This too shall pass. No matter how long it takes, let's move on. It will get better. We felt stuck but lived every moment with a hope that better days are on the way. We shall celebrate like a winner, like a warrior.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase.
Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata?
Yeah, it's our motto.
What's the motto?
Nothing. What's the matter with you?
You know, kid, these two words will solve all your problems.
That's right.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest of your days.
Yeah, say it, kid.
It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Welcome to our humble home.
You live here?
We live wherever we want.
Yup, home is where your rump rests.
It's beautiful.
I'm starved.
I'm so hungry I could eat a whole zebra.
Ah, we're fresh out of zebra.
Any antelope?
Nuh-uh.
Hippo?
Nope. Listen, kid, if you live with us, you have to eat like us. Hey, this looks like a good spot to rustle up some grub.
worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. 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 Ta-ta.
I once again thank Magdalene ma'am and Vani ma'am for the practice sessions. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destination. We shall be back to school and have lots of fun. That's a promise. Let's not forget our gratitude to all those who saved many lives and nurtured many hearts. Here we go.
The unexpected pandemic, COVID-19, has turned everything upside down. It has been devastating worldwide. We became braver than we believed, smarter than we thought, and stronger than we were. But how? Who helped us to accumulate this courage? Our doctors, nurses, ward boys, delivery persons, ration shop owners, vegetable fruit vendors, etc. have played a crucial role by providing us timely access to all the necessary items important for our survival during all the months of the pandemic.
When we were in pain and needed the soothing assurance, our doctors worked tirelessly without thinking about themselves or their families. Thank you so much, doctors, for being the hope of every mankind. Here's our heartfelt gratitude for your selfless care and epitome of good deed.
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सौ चांद बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
अस्पताल में लोग इस बीमारी से अकेले लड़ते वक्त
अपने परिवार का साथ चाहते हैं
पर ऐसे हालातों में हम ही हैं उनके डॉक्टर हम ही उनका परिवार हम ही उनकी हिम्मत और हम ही उनकी उम्मीद
Nidhi Goyal ma'am, Bhavya ma'am and Shashikala ma'am. Our nursing staff believes in themselves so that others can keep their faith in them. Dear sisters and brothers, your smile is an action of love and care. When you dispense comfort and compassion through your service, you represent humanity. This is dedicated for your honest accomplishments.
I say I'm too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the player's gonna play, 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 play. And the haters gonna hate, 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 baby. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, I shake it off. Heartbreaker's gonna break, 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 break. And the faker's gonna fake, 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 baby. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. I shake it off, I shake it off. I never miss a beat. I'm lightning on my feet, and that's what they don't see. That's what they don't see. I'm dancing on my own, dancing on my own. Make the moves up as I go, and that's what they don't know. That's what they don't know. But I keep cruising, can't stop, won't stop grooving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the player's gonna play, 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 play. And the haters gonna hate, 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 baby. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, I shake it off. Heartbreaker's gonna break, 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 break. And the faker's gonna fake, 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 baby. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. I shake it off, I shake it off. Shake it off, I shake it off. I shake it off, I shake it off. I shake it off, I shake it off. I shake it off, I shake it off.
Hey, hey, hey! Just think, while you've been getting down and out about the liars and the dirty, dirty cheats of the world, you could have been getting down to this sick beat.
My ex-man brought his new girlfriend. She's like, oh my god, but I'm just gonna shake into the fella over there with the hella good hair. Won't you come on over, baby? We can shake, shake, shake. Yeah. 'Cause the player's gonna play, 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 play. And the haters gonna hate, 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 hate. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. I shake it off, I shake it off. Heartbreaker's gonna break, 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 break. And the faker's gonna fake, 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 baby. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. I shake it off, I shake it off. Shake it off, I shake it off. I shake it off, I shake it off. I shake it off, I shake it off. I shake it off, I shake it off. Shake it off, I shake it off. I shake it off, I shake it off. I shake it off, I shake it off. I shake it off, I shake it off. Shake it off, I shake it off. I shake it off, I shake it off. I shake it off, I shake it off. I shake it off, I shake it off.
A big thank you to Rashmita ma'am and Amarjeet ma'am. Let's talk about those caretakers who are the real peacekeepers. Police across the world are pressed to their limits. The job is tough, but now it's more difficult and riskier. Courage is what it takes to go ahead and face the unexpected challenges. But our policemen and women dare to face the challenges and win. Our salutations to the entire police force across the globe.
ಉಸಿರ ಕೊನೆಯಲು ಮಾತು ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ ಮುಳ್ಳು ಹಾದಿಯೇ ಸಿಗುವುದು ಜಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಧರೆಯೇ ಉರಿದು ನಿಂತರೂ ಸಾಗಿವಾ ಹಠವ ಬಿಡದೆ ಎದುರು ನಿಲ್ಲುವ ಧೀರ 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 ಇಸುತನ ಧೀರ 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 ಇಸುತನ ಧೀರ 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 ಇಸುತನ ಧೀರ 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 ಇಸುತನ
We thank Sumaya ma'am, Jayanti ma'am and Kavita ma'am.
As our President Shri Ramnath Kovind said, I have nothing but undeserved praise for our armed forces, paramilitary and internal security forces. Their sacrifices present the saga of unparalleled courage and discipline. So true, as said rightly, risk is their life, impossible is their love, possible is their aim, and challenge is their game. So let's bow to these real heroes as we read this beautiful wish of a flower. मुझे तोड़ लेना बनमाली, उस पथ पर देना तुम फेंक, मातृभूमि पर शीश चढ़ाने, उस पथ पर जावे वीर अनेक।
क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़ता है, क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है, क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़ता है, क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है।
कैसी है ये अनहोनी, हर आँख हुई नम, छोड़ गया जो तू, कैसे जिएंगे हम। तू ही किनारा, तू ही सहारा, तू जग सारा, तू ही हमारा सूरज, तू ही तारा।
जय जयकारा, जय जयकारा, स्वामी देना साथ हमारा।
जय जयकारा, जय जयकारा, स्वामी देना साथ हमारा।
Thank you to Abhilasha ma'am, Nirupama ma'am and Pooja ma'am. Now, let us be grateful to those people who make us safe and happy. They are the dedicated gardeners who take the risk to change every life from barren to blossom. Since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, these are the ones who engage themselves in timely delivery of essential services by taking all precautionary measures to curb the spread of the virus. Let us recall the services of delivery staff, farmers, researchers, sanitation workers, grocery workers, and emergency services workers, and others who have been constantly assisting in the fight against the coronavirus. This will be our smallest form of appreciation and motivation. How beautiful a day can be when we think of these frontline warriors who touch our heart with their kindness.
ನಾಡೆ ನಿಂತು ಹೋದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೋರಾಟ ನಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ದೇಶ ಕಾಯೋ ವೀರರು ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಸಲಾಂ ಪ್ರಾಣವ ತುಂಬುತ್ತಾ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಜೀವವ ಒತ್ತೆ ಇಟ್ಟರು ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಸಲಾಂ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಸಲಾಂ ಜಗವೆಂದು ಮರೆತು ಹೋಗದು ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಸಲ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಸಲ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಸಲ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣುವ ದೇವರು ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಸಲ
We thank Jyoti ma'am, Shruti ma'am and Hari sir. Lastly, but definitely not the least of all, the teachers who always inspired hope, ignited curiosity and instilled a love of learning need a special mention. It's no child's play when the education system in the entire world took a heavy beating from this pandemic. And while we often hear of students and parents' struggles with the online system, teachers too had their fair share of challenges to adapt themselves with the new structure. They too are warriors in real sense. Here is a simple way of conveying our gratitude.
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. up in the morning and I know it's gonna be another fun day. There's not a day that passes by when you don't throw me a smile. I like the way you get so excited about the things you're gonna teach us. And every day is different 'cause we're learning more and more about life. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. Special in their own little way. That's what you keep telling us day after day. Find what you're good at and work real hard with love and dedication. You will go far. You will go far. You will go far. Yes, you will go far. I wanna dedicate this song to you because you care for me. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher.
Our heartfelt thanks to Pooja ma'am, Kusumlata ma'am and Surekha ma'am.
Our special dedication to our parents is not restricted to few words. We shall remain grateful for your time and resources towards academic guidance and cultural practices. We shall convey the same in the coming academic year too. Nothing is impossible became the theme of our presentation, not just for our warriors mentioned above, but for the school to offer this unique arrangement. When the motto is child-centric, everything is possible. With this affirmative note, let's wish each other very safe and healthy time ahead. Hope the virtual connection turns into actual and factual. Let's conclude by saying, Astu ma sadgamaya, tamso ma jyotirgamaya. From the unreal lead me to the real, from the darkness lead me to the light.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे